In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Patreon account. If you want to remove your Patreon account, the process is handled through Patreon's privacy controls rather than directly from the main account settings. I'll walk you through exactly where to go so you can complete it smoothly. Start by opening Patreon in your browser and making sure you're signed into the account you want to delete. It's a good idea to double check that you're in the correct profile before continuing, especially if you manage more than one account or use multiple logins. Once you're on Patreon, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the three-dot menu. This opens additional options that aren't shown in the main navigation, so if you don't immediately see account deletion settings elsewhere, that's completely normal. From that menu, click on Privacy Policy. This will take you to Patreon's privacy page, where they provide options related to your personal data and account control. On the privacy page, find and click Take Control. This section is where Patreon groups together actions related to managing your data. If the page looks a little different depending on your device or browser, just look for the same wording and continue from there. Next, click Erase. This is the option used to request deletion of your account data. Before you continue, remember that deleting an account is usually permanent, so make sure you've saved anything important and canceled anything you no longer need associated with the account. After selecting Erase, Patreon may ask you to confirm access to your account. If prompted, click Allow to authorize the request. This step simply confirms that you are the account owner and that you want Patreon's privacy system to proceed with the deletion request. Once you've done that, follow any final on-screen prompts Patreon shows you. In many cases, services like this may send a confirmation, display a notice about what will be deleted, or explain if there is a waiting period before the account is fully removed. And that's it. The key path is Patreon, then the three-dot menu, then privacy policy, then take control, then erase, and finally allow if asked. If something doesn't appear exactly as shown, try refreshing the page or using a desktop browser, since layouts can vary slightly over time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you delete your Patreon account quickly and easily.